So let's check in with my favorite person, and we didn't even plan this. We're wearing similar blazers. Miss Erin Andrews, you know, they try to keep us apart, but nothing can hold us down.
Yeah, we're very far apart. I'm upset you're not here at Baton Rouge. I'll tell you one thing that the LA Rams are very happy about, not upset at all. This injury report this week, squeaky clean, nobody's on it, including their running back Todd Gurley. And it was interesting. Sat down with him this week, and he said he was very concerned. He was interested to see how his knee would hold up after he played the divisional game against the Cowboys. Of course, before that game, he missed 2 games with that knee injury. So he said, I just didn't know how I would feel. He feels great. He even joked around, hey, maybe it's a good thing I got injured.
The Rams are getting some bad injury news on the Todd Gurley front. It doesn't look good for Todd Gurley coming back.
Todd Gurley is not 100% healthy.
No Todd Gurley.